Well, wasn't that a pretty little intro to grab your attention and draw you towards the subscribe button? You might also notice that I'm using a GoPro on a selfie stick. That means I'm now comparable to a muddy avian mammal.
Well, g'day everybody.
But first, I'm opening the doors to a video-based competition. The best comment wins, whatever that comment may be, and the winner will be announced in the next video. So let the horrors begin. Now I'm here to act like every typical four-wheel drive YouTuber and tell you all about the lovely adventure I'm undertaking. In the forest, or outback, something about camping and serenity, and we're going to insert track name here. Stay tuned. Not really, I'm still here in my workshop, because I've got to do a requested panel beating masterclass. In case you didn't know, I had a whoopsie, and my car didn't fare too well. This is the result of going down unknown tracks at night that are barely wider than the car, then realising it's a dead end, and after doing several huge ruts and drop-offs, reversing up them obviously isn't that easy. Or I'm just not very good at driving. Probably the latter. Now the first step in all of this is to make sure your window is wound all the way down in the least awkward way possible. It then helps if you remove the inside of the door card and make sure you get a firm grip of the door when you mount it. After this, select your stimulant of choice, however shocking it may be. And in this case, the dent is self-repairing. Now anyway, with some video jiggery-pokery, I will teleport to aforementioned forest outback, and the horrors can begin. This time, we're seeing if a patrol is actually better than a Landcruiser.
Yeah, he wanted a 10 mil map.
I just thought after all the shit you were giving me yesterday, you know, you could see what happens before we even reach the trails.
Are you rich?
Anyway, that's enough of that nonsense. We did actually end up doing some tracks. Creek Road has recently been destroyed and is a little bit rubbish. The only worthwhile bit is this uphill climb. But aside from that, there's nothing really there. But we did it anyway. Because we're hard. down, we decided to venture into pastures unknown. And the result of this is finding our way sliding down a ridiculously slippery slope to a dead end, which seems to be a common occurrence on my channel. And seeing as it was horrible on the way down, it was 10 times more horrible on the way up. In case you hadn't guessed.
That was a didn't spill my beer moment.
A little nervous? A little bit. Started tipping left.
Full send, Richie.
What would you go up against if you won?
Need more berries.
Don't need to get this thing. Whoa. Fuck me. Almost there. If you got your front wheel just about 10 centimeters further, you would have made it, and then you can just turn towards me a little bit afterwards. Alright?